Hi students, welcome to Bosco Campus Vision. I am Shankar Ganesh, Assistant Professor, Department of Computer Application, Don Bosco College, Kottayam. I am delighted to present a lecture on the subject Introduction to Information Technology. This lecture is meant for Semester 1 Bcom Computer Application course of Kerala University. In this lecture, we are going to discuss the microcomputer. A microcomputer is a complete computer on a small scale designed for use by one person at a time. An antiquated term, a microcomputer is now primarily called a personal computer or a device based on a single chip microprocessor. Common microcomputers include laptops and desktops. Beyond standard PCs, microcomputers also include some calculators, mobile phones, notebooks, workstations, and embedded systems. Smaller than a mainframe or mini computer, a microcomputer uses a single integrated semiconductor chip for its central processing unit. They also contain memory in the form of read-only memory, that is ROM, and random access memory, that is RAM, input-output ports, and a bus or system of interconnecting wires, all housed in a single unit, usually referred to as a motherboard. Common I/O devices include keyboards, monitors, printers, and external storage. Its storage capacity is low when compared to mini and mainframe computers. It is able to accept most of the high-level languages. However, it uses an interpreter or compiler for running high-level languages. Microchips contain microelectronic circuitries which are very tiny. Large numbers of these can be packed tightly onto a single tiny piece of silicon. Silicon is a material found in sand. The microchip is made by building up a series of very thin layers of silicon and of the tiny components which are held in it. The microcomputers are small and portable. They are relatively inexpensive and have excellent graphic capabilities. The maximum wavelength varies according to the configuration of the microcomputers. Next, we can discuss the history of microcomputers. The first microcomputer was the Micral, released in 1973 by R2E. Based on the Intel 8008, it was the first non-kit computer based on a microprocessor. In 1974, the Intel 8008 based MCM70 microcomputer was released by Microcomputer Machines known as MCM Computers. The Altair 8800 is often considered the first successful commercial microcomputer released in 1974, designed by Micro Instrumentation Telemetry Systems and was based on the Intel 8080 microprocessor. By the 1980s, microcomputers were being used for more than games and computer-based recreation, finding widespread use in personal computing, workstations, and academia. By the 1990s, microcomputers were being produced as pocket-sized personal digital assistants and later came in the form of cell phones and portable music players. Microcomputer applications. Personal microcomputers are often used for education and entertainment. Beyond laptops and desktops, microcomputers can include video game consoles, computerized electronics, and smartphones. In the workplace, microcomputers have been used for applications including data and word processing, electronic spreadsheets, professional presentation and graphics programs, and database management systems. They have been used in business for tasks such as bookkeeping, inventory and communication, in medical settings to record and manage healthcare plans, in financial institutions to record transactions, prepare financial statements and payroll, and in military applications for training devices. The microchips can be classified as follows. First one, microprocessors. These are the most powerful kind. They are almost tiny computers in themselves. Each one has a processing unit, a memory, and a special area to handle input and output. Microprocessors are the most important part of the CPU of a modern computer. Second one, memory chips. These are the common form of computer memory. They are used to hold information either temporarily or permanently. Third one, input and output chips. In these chip circuits, the flow of information is in both directions. The features of microcomputers are: first one, its storage capacity is low. Second one, its rate of acceptance and transfer of data is limited, that is a maximum of 5 lakh bytes per second. Third one, it is able to accept most high level languages. However, it uses an interpreter when running high level language because most micros do not have sufficiently large memory to support compilers. Fourth one, the maximum wavelength it holds is 16 bits. Fifth one, they are small and portable and have excellent graphic capabilities. In this lecture, we have discussed the microcomputer. Hope all of you have understood the lecture. Thank you.